Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I'm going to do some really inexpensive mods to a Toyota Tundra, so let's go do it. Okay, after I took delivery of my 2021 Tundra, I had a few interior mods in mind that I wanted to go ahead and take care of in the first week that I had the vehicle. One of the things was these rubber coasters that are molded to fit all the interior parts of your doors, your console, and any of the drink holders. And so I got those, and I had never really used anything like this before, but I really liked that you could get them in black with a red pinstripe. And that's kind of a TRD color thing, the red and black, so that's why I went with that. Anyways, they all fit perfectly. There was more than enough of these shapes to fit all the different pockets and nooks and crannies. So I was very happy with these, and they cut down on the rattling from anything in your truck. In the Tundra console, it is large, about the size of an igloo cooler. So I wanted something to help keep things organized in there. Now again, all these little accessories I got for the interior, I will put links in the description under the video, so if you want to check them out, you can. They're all very inexpensive. So anyway, I got this little organizer. It came with, again, those little rubber coasters to go inside to keep things from rattling. It has a couple of sections. You can put your big phone, you can run wires through it. It has a little coin section. You know, I put all kinds of stuff in there. You can put gum, keychains, whatever you want to do. I highly recommend one because you can't drive down the road and lift that lid open to that basically igloo cooler size console and try to get something out that's down in the bottom. It's just not going to happen, and you'll get in an accident. So another thing I needed was some floor mats. I didn't even get cheap plastic ones, carpeted ones or whatever, or just your basic all-weather mats. The salesman was really out to lunch on that. He didn't offer them to me, didn't even offer to sell me any. I don't know what planet that guy was on, but anyways, I needed some mats, and I wanted to go ahead and go with my black and red theme that matches the rest of the vehicle. So I found these. They looked good. They were the all-weather. They were made nice, sold by Toyota and made by Toyota, I guess. But anyways, they were a really good fit. I had tried some others. They came in. I couldn't get them to lie flat. They were all curled up from being in the box. And so I sent those back and went with these. And they look great and do a good job. Now, another thing I put on my Tacoma that I'm also putting on this Tundra are door sill protectors. They go at each door. They're super sticky when they go on, so they're not going anywhere for the life of the vehicle. And they are made and sold by Toyota. I've enclosed the number for the Tundra version. A few things you'll need is some rubbing alcohol and a plastic felt squeegee. Helps the best. You can use your hand, but the squeegee helps. So don't forget, I'm going to put links in the description under the video on where to find a lot of these little mods for your interior of your Tundra. They also have these for the Tacoma, so be sure and look for those. Hey, also, I sped up the last part of this video because it was kind of repetitive and could be boring. And I wanted to let you know that when I purchased these at Toyota, they printed out some directions for me. And take note that the driver and passenger side are different. The back doors, the driver and passenger side, are a little bevel. And you can see the difference when you pull them out of the package. And you can figure out which one goes where. It's kind of self-explanatory, but it's a very slight difference. So just put them out in front of you and look at them, and you'll be able to tell the difference. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video on doing these inexpensive mods that are very useful, they're very helpful, and they help your truck last longer. I will put links under the video in the description if you're interested in checking any of these out. If you would, and you like this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. See you in my next video. And stay tuned, I have some more videos on this Tundra build coming up. Got lots of things coming. Also some more camping stuff. I'm gonna do some fishing, so stay tuned.